Hey all, you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. So in this video we are going to see different type of joins that are available in PySpark. So let's begin. So these are our dataset agent.csv, which contains the column agent code, agent name, working area, commission, phone number, salary and experience. In my second dataset I've created personal.csv, in which we have column ID, agent code and age. So let's do processing in our dataset. I've already uploaded my data inside file store, inside tables, and we have two files, agent.csv and personal.csv. So let's begin. Df agent equal to spark. Let's read the first uh, agent.csv file, and let's take the variable from the config file. Okay, so this is the source path. Let's say let's create another folder, another variable. Let's say source path is agent, because these variables are already used in my another notebook, so I don't want to disturb the variables. And let's say source path personal. Okay, and here comes personal. You can copy the path from here. Go to DFS, go to file store, tables, and copy path. Okay, just click on copy. So let's go here. We are first writing the source path agent. Our first column is header, so we will write header equal to true, and also infer schema equal to true. So let's display our df.agent. Similarly, let's copy paste this. Okay, we need to also import. We just import using percentage run and the notebook path, copy file path, and inside double quotes let's run this. Okay, and now let's run this cell. So you can see, we can see all the 12 records of agent.csv. Similarly, let's read the personal.csv. Okay, so you can see we can view all the records of personal.csv. We can check the data types using df underscore agent dot d types. So infer schema returns the detects the data type of each column and outputs it. Okay, now let's join two columns. Join these tables. We will create join underscore df equal to uh, df agent dot join. We will pass df personal. Okay, and then the column name. We will join on column agent code. And we will use the type of join as first inner. So let's display the join df. Okay, equal to, sorry. There is no attribute agent code. Why so? Oh, it's agent code. Okay. So as you can see, our both the uh, both tables got combined, and we have a join table with type inner join. So inner join, what it does, both the rows that are common in both the tables on column agent code will be present here. Now we will see other types of join, that is outer. So in outer join, all the records which are present in both the table irrespective of the join condition will be present here. So as you can see, we have data for A20 and A21 in right side of the table, but not in left. So null will be populated here. Similarly, for A005, we have data in the left table but not the right, on the right. So we will null populate it. Similarly for the A008. There are left join and right join, but we will see special three types of join that are present in Spark. So first is semi, then comes anti, and then comes the cross. So cross is the Cartesian product of both the table. In semi join, it is similar to inner join, and it will return the output which on the joining condition in which we have matching data on both the tables. So as you can see, these records A001 is present in both the tables. So we will see the output. See the output. Now comes the other type of the join, that is anti-join. Anti-join returns the output of the data which is present in left table but not in right table. So we have those records of A005 and A008 which has the data present in left table but not the right table. And here you can see in both these output, you will see only the columns of the left hand side table, not the right table. So on the right table we have column ID and age. So when you will join on it, you will don't see the columns of right table. Similarly, there is cross join. So uh, here the syntax is a bit different. You will write left table, cross join right table, and then the right table. Yeah. So it's basically the Cartesian product of both the tables. So total of 144 records will be present. As you can see, on the left table we have 12 records, and on the right table we have 12 records. So a total of 144 output will be present here. So it's basically A cross B. For corresponding to one code, there will all the agent codes will be present depending upon the joining condition. So in this video, we have seen the various types of joins that are present in Spark. We have seen inner join, where the output will be uh, data which is common in both the tables. Then outer join, which have all the rows of both the tables. Then the semi join. Semi join shows the output um, which are common in both the tables. Anti join, it shows the records of the left table which are not present in right table. Then the cross join, where uh, which is the Cartesian product of left table and the right table, which is A cross B. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.